Good morning, everyone. So this is my day started with always here in the morning. So as you see me, I'm ready. Being my ass already very early in the morning, and I love it. I like to make me sweat, and at the same time, it makes a lot of progress here downstairs, and especially to my garden. So this morning, this is what I'm doing is here is pulling some weeds, and I add more animal manure uh, on my plants here. And as you see it there, I sprout a lot of okra seeds. So I remove the old one and sprout the new one. And I add more animal manure. So this is the grass that I plant a couple of months here, and they're already spreading. So this is the frog grass. That's what I'm doing here. Some of the empty space that there's no any grass, I plant some of this. So I'm so happy to see it that they're spreading. I know they look struggling because most of it here I just replant it. I remove the some of the plants that I don't like it anymore. So I prepare to plant more croutons because croutons is really loves direct sunshine, no problem on that. And so as you see it here, I love mixing ornamental plants and vegetable plants. So on this row, this is all vegetable. For me, I am so relieved to see all the plants so healthy, and of course I am very organized person, so I really always give time on this. Every day I give time to my plants. And not only like I always said before, it's not about only just plant and let it go. With me, I put really mostly a lot of effort here. Yeah, this is most of it is a new plant here. I love blending plants. It's the only thing this one here, my problem is they're in direct sunshine. So this banana is really helping them. So this one here is I plant lemongrass. Not lemongrass, I mean lemon basil and sweet basil here. As you see it, I love blending stuff. So, and this is all the stone that I was gathering on the beach. More basil. And of course my malunggay, I have more malunggay here. So why the reason I keep this one healthy, so if I saw like they look struggling, I cut them so that they can have a new coming like this. It's hard to explain, I know my nose bleeding, but that's what I'm doing. This is the new one. So, and you see it here, my purpose in this, because I put a lot of this dead leaves here, and because it's during, like if you're gonna watering the plants, or there's a heavy rain, the roots not gonna expose. So this one, it's really help to the plants also, especially this papaya. I was really so appreciate this rain, and my plants is so happy, happy. We have so many bananas there. It's different variety. Yeah, there I have more okra sprouting here, but it is only I'm going to sprout here, but I'm going to transfer, and I'm planning to reach this soil, and I'm going to plant garlic here because I already bed there for my okra, so I don't want so many okra, and I want something different here. And papaya, lots of new showing up there. So this is my 2 days project here. What I'm doing here is I smash this animal manure, and I love to add this one to my plants here, to all my vegetable bed here. As you see it there, yeah, it's all animal manure, and I blend with the rice hull. Tomato. I know that my tomato here, they're so healthy, but for me there's still not enough. This soil here is I mean, at this area here, it's sometimes it's really shaded, so I know that tomato really loves full sunshine. So this time, after that having fruits there, I'm going to transfer my tomato. I mean, I'm going to plant a new one, but not there anymore. More pepper. So this is my tomato new area here. So those tomatoes, I just plant them. I just transfer here. So for right now, they look unhealthy, and at the same time, I'm trying to reach this soil. So I add more rice hull and more animal manure. So every early morning, I am so busy missing my plants here because I'm just trying to advantage this rain, because more cooler, and if you're gonna transplant the if you're gonna remove and transfer the plants, they're not really affecting so much. So mostly of this stuff over here is this is my what I'm doing, my leftover food here, that I just throw it here and add soil, and this is the comes out. So all of these seeds here just sprout here. And this one, as you already see this before, this is my friend gave it, and this is the pandan leaves. See there, look so content there. And plants is, you need to know them well, also their location, which one they want it, and some of the plants is they like a drain soil, and some of them they like the shaded area and full sunshine. I know you know that one very well. Oh wow, the beets that I throw it here, that what's growing. Wow, that's cool. So talking about plants, I know that you always see in our video that I was missing my plants, because I really proud myself, and I always love to share what I'm doing here and what I done. And for me, this is the progress thing, and it is more healthy to our lifestyle. Plants is really healthy to you, and really works on your mind. It's really healthy. So to those curious, if I'm really the one to doing all this and all the effort in my garden. Yes, 100% it is myself. And James doing something different, and me, I'm more focused with my, of course, as a wife here, doing something inside, and of course, my plans here, 100% I'm the one doing this one for myself. In our in with us, it's we are in different thought, different perspective in life. Like with me, I've been in a situation, I've been with nothing. So I know I appreciate everything that we have right now. I really appreciate, and like I said, I love this kind of to do things, and I like to put more effort in my plans, and like I'm so happy to doing this. And like this, the animal manure, I never feel any ill of this, that so yucky like this, dirty. No. Uh, Animal manure like this one is, of course, it is just the grass that the cow eating. So there's no any ill on this. So I just only give you because I know that some other people say that why I'm doing this, why do I need to work hard? But those people negative thought, they're just doing nothing in their life. Like me and James, we like something progress, and these things is really helping us. So just never mind those negative people. So this is my bucket that full of animal manure. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing this. So like this here, I love to add more and more building animal manure. It's really help to the plants, and also it gives rich to the soil. Like this one here, it's a lot already. So I add to the place that really need it. So every time that people come over here, they're always amazed to see my plants. I said, how comes that you grow your stuff here? They always said that in our place they can't grow even just a lemongrass. And he said it is because they're just wondering because we are here in front of the beach. I said, this mostly of my plants over here, I taking care of it, and I really add more effort. I put soil that and I make it rich, and that's the reason that my plants really grow healthy. And of course, I do believe that if you have a green thumb, so just easy to grow the any kind of plants. I know you already burned watching this, but I love this. I'm truly love this. So thank you so much everyone for always support to my watching my garden video, and hope you still continue watching on this. So
Well, the neighbors stopped their morning jam, so I can record now. We are right here and we're about to texture this wall here upstairs. It's gonna be an under roof, and I want it textured, and then we're gonna prime it and paint it just like on the inside of the house. You see, I've got this nice radius corner on here and all too. So they've been prepping this. They're taping it off right now. The goal here right now is to texture and paint all this area right in here. We built a little net screen fence over here on this other lot. Yeah, net screen fence over on it. Maybe in the future we'll build a permanent fence over there. Well, for now, got the chickens all turned loose over in there and they can roam. We got 45-day chickens over there. There's 51 of them in that little pen down in the shade over there. And we got the other Rhode Island Reds where they can roam this little area up in here. So it's looking pretty good. Just clean it up a little bit in there again. Up here we sprayed this texture. Man, that looks nice. It's gonna look really good. We put it here on everything, everywhere. Anyway, we got all this textured up here, and they're going through knocking all these little bumps off. You can just push them right off with your finger and go through and get all those little places like that off of there. And then Mock's going through here right now, and he's rolling on primer, concrete primer. You're gonna see right here what we're using. Using Davies concrete primer and sealer, mud krill. And he's going through and priming this, and then we're gonna go back over it with this paint right here, which is also Davies, and it's a semi-gloss white acrylic latex paint, interior or exterior. Had good luck with this paint. I like it, and that's what we're using up here and get all this done, and we'll get all of it painted above where the ceiling or the roof's going. Nardo's cleaning a little bit of the overspray from the texture off the metal, and then we'll retouch that steel a little bit if we need to. Of course, we knew it was going to get a little overspray. It wasn't even worth all the effort to tape all that off. And then you see where that's chipped up, we're gonna put a little stonework on the bottom of those columns there, give it a nice little accent right out in the front, going out right here. Say the front of those glass doors right there. It's nice, all this coming along, man. I just love these bar tops up here. They look so good. Yeah, it is. Very, very nice texture on the walls up here.
So these two boys are here. So we're just watching the movie, the Superman. And it is their snack time. We're drinking Milo. Milo with ice.